What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Nvidia stocks options analysis. So I'll take you over a lot of data on the options in this video. I'll also give my opinion on what type of options may make money going in this week, and also what you saw on the thumbnail that bulls are in shock. Bulls were not prepared for this move. And as we go through this options data, that will get very clear. And I'm quite surprised seeing the options data that even right now, like bulls are not prepared. Bulls are still in shock, guys. So looks like they have gotten PTSD, guys. Well, anyways, I want to make sure that, I keep my, thesis unbiased. As you know, I like to trade with the data, the price actions, and all of that. So I trade both sides, and I'm not a I'm not just a gonna catch on the hype or the trend, as on the trend in the sentiment side, right? Like hype. I don't like hypes. I like to be pragmatic and trade with the data and the structures of the charts, regardless of how great or bad the company is, right? It's all comes down to in the trading, at least for me, the technicals. So, and again, in this video, I'm just sharing my opinion. You don't have to agree with me, or you can agree with me. It's your choice. I'm not here to play any role in convincing you in any way. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I'm only here to educate for how I trade and just providing that as an opinion here. Nothing more than that. So, as we will go through this data, guys, I also want to just suggest to you to check out this video of mine on Nvidia that I did this weekend yesterday. So Nvidia stock analysis top is marked right over here. This is on my channel. If you have checked it out, great. This video of options will be very seamless for you. And if you haven't checked this video out before checking out this options video, just so that you have some background criteria as well, but I'll be talking about all of this in this video as well. Some high level, not going into too much detail, but high level on the technicals, but then we'll put confluence together with the options data. All right, so let's begin. So Nvidia has broken those levels, has been falling down. Structure break has happened, and I do expect Nvidia to continue lower. You can see this break of the structure happened, also this distribution phase at this strong volume. So it's not to be taken lightly. All right, so I'm expecting more downside. Now, what puzzles me, and this is very strange, that on the options data, like that's why I'm saying bulls are still in shock. The black line is where the last closing price is, that is 762. But then I'm saying, look at it, the calls. This is for the expiration of this coming week, guys. This Nvidia's options, 26th of April. And what am I seeing in the chart is there's still a lot of calls sitting at $880, $900, and $950. Look at these spikes. They were unprepared. Where did Nvidia fell from? 830 almost, right? And this could be very well the carried over, the options data. But they were still trying to play 880. Well, but I mean, they're still sitting there. So these calls haven't expired. Right, so these are the calls expiring end of this week. Expirations is end of this week, and it's unlikely, guys. I'm not sure why this 880. Why someone is trying to trade this? I don't see price coming back to 880. If I take it to the technicals, and this is where we'll draw the confluence. Where is 880? This is right over here, right? And this is one of those. I mean, we have calls sitting at above 880 as well, 900, 950 as well, so much, right? This is just completely strange, and in other words, ridiculous as well. I don't see this happening. So there's one, actually I want to show you. I saw some at $1,000 as well. On Nvidia, 5,000 calls are sitting here. And I know this data is not showing up on the chart for some reason. I did put in there, but maybe it's out of bounds in the the chart here. But yeah, guys, $1,000 calls as well are it's not going to happen, unfortunately, in my opinion. Okay, and all these calls are going to be cooked now, strangely. So I do see a lot of puts in the money already. All these puts here, the density, these are already in the money. And I do expect Nvidia to go down, and down here I'm still surprised that we don't have high puts, but they may come tomorrow. But yes, guys, I expect things to go lower. But all these calls, that are spikes I'm seeing at higher level, 880, 900, 950, I don't think it's going to happen. Nvidia has broken the structure, changed the structure. It is as it continues. I mean, 824 is the like, that's the break of the structure, right? And if Nvidia, I mean, I don't expect Nvidia to go above 824 this week. If it does it, like, that's I don't think that's gonna happen. That's like 0.0000001% maybe chance. But yeah, I'm not seeing Nvidia going above 824. So forget any calls above 824. All these 880, 900, 950, where these high spikes you are seeing, they are worthless. They're cooked. Kaboom! Even 850 calls are kaboom, in my opinion. So yeah, and I think puts should start to increase here. Let's see if puts starts increasing, but I do expect puts to come in more, because yeah, puts are the ones that gonna make money. I think 663 is the possibility, in my opinion, which is what, $100 range away, right? Nvidia is making like what, $90 move in a day. Look at the range down here, right? Yeah, guys, I think just more downside to come. All right, let's take a look at some of the, closer to the price, what type of options are going for. Okay, $760, that is going for what? These are expensive calls and puts on Nvidia, okay? But the puts on the 760, you gotta be what, to break even at least 738 almost, right? If I did the math right. Yes, almost 737 almost. You gotta be making that to make money on 760 puts. It's possible. 737, yeah. Yeah, it's where? It's right over here. Yeah, it's very likely that, yes, it's an expensive put, but it will make money. I'm gonna only cover put side on this data, because I don't expect calls to make any money, guys. Any rebound may come, but that is just a rebound. We are still in the downtrend. 824, 23, that will be the top in the rebound as well, in my opinion. So yeah, 737, yeah, it's that can make money easily, right? So just my opinion though. So that will be 760 puts though, because to make, just you have to break even as well at least. But yeah, I think these puts will make money. Let's see if, for example, I want to take an extreme end here. Let's take 700 as an example, because to make money on this, you are only risking $643, and to break even 600 and almost what, 93. So 693, in my opinion, that's a possibility. I mean, until 663, anything in break even range, I think that's a possibility. So you get the idea, right? And yeah, accordingly, I think any put that you can break even until 663, that's a possibility. Calls, no, I would just stay away from the calls. Just my opinion, guys. You can go and do whatever you want to do, but this is just my opinion. And unfortunately, yeah, guys, all these calls are cooked up here. I don't know why someone is trying to trade these calls for the expiration. Not sure. I think these are more rolled over, or they would have been ahead of time expiration. But here's the thing: I don't see that. I think these are more rolled over calls, because I don't see options data in these high quantity trading for more out, right? 2 weeks out. I don't see these high calls. So if I take you to May 3rd, which is 2 weeks out from now, you can clearly see you would not find these spikes in any side, right? You are not like what? What is the current spike going at? 12,000, right? And if I show you 2 weeks out of data, if we take, in use case that, hey, this could be like in advance, 2 weeks or 3 weeks out, right? No, I'm not seeing any of that, guys. Look at it. If you go 2 weeks out as well from now, this pattern doesn't repeat. I'm not seeing spikes. So these are mostly people, so bulls who were unprepared, right? Things went lower. Instead of closing the calls, they'll rolled it over most likely. And if someone new came in, they bought more calls thinking Nvidia will go up. They are the ones. It's I don't. Yeah, this is just beyond. Wall Street will not even try again. I don't know if Wall Street is dumb, but smart money. I don't think. I don't like to call them smart money, but yeah, these are mostly guys. I think whoever these traders are, I think these are cooked already. No, this is not happening. These spikes, 850, even that's still lesser of a call spike, but cooked. 880 cooked. Kaboom! They're all kaboomed, guys, in my opinion. Guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like and subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.